Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you the process of signing up or creating an account of AOL mail from desktop. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And with that being said, let's go. Let's dive right into our video. Now, to sign up for an AOL mail, you first go to is you must go to go its homepage aol.com and hit enter on your preferred browser, the search bar. And after you have landed on the homepage of AOL mail, on the top right corner you can see text saying login/join. Click there. After you have clicked that, you will be redirected to AOL's sign in or create account page, and on this page you can see and create an account, a button saying create an account. Click there. After you have clicked there, a form will appear where you must enter your details in order to create your AOL mail. And without saying much, let's do it. Right. Okay. Okay. Remember, password must be strong one. Oops. This email is not available for sign up. Please try something else. Let's go with 111. Okay, I think that should be available. And don't forget your password. The most important thing, don't forget your password. Okay. And birth date. Don't input your wrong birth date. Mm. After you have filled all the details correctly, click on continue. And after that, you will be redirected to a page that will ask for your verification of with your phone number. Click text me a verification code and wait for 2 or 3 minutes to or code for the code to arrive. And it has arrived. Okay, this is my code, and let's click verify. And it has been verified, all done. Let's click done. There you guys, it's this simple to create an account with AOL mail. There, your AOL mail account has been created. Now enjoy. And if you want another videos like this to help you with your social media accounts or anything, just comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon again. Okay, I would really appreciate that. Okay, done.